bagels over traditional toast? Well, now that you've got the Joule oven, you don't have to step out to a cafe for your bagel fix. A cafe-quality smoked salmon bagel can be made in your very own kitchen. Here's how. Set your oven rack to position 4. When making bagels, the Joule oven has room for up to 10 slices, and you have complete control over the toasting darkness of your bagels with the temperature dial. This capability is really clever because browning can vary from bagel to bagel, particularly those made from white, dark, and seeded breads. If you're using frozen bagels, use the frozen button. When it is activated, it reduces the oven temperature and extends the timer slightly to ensure the bagel is heated thoroughly without burning the outside and without constant monitoring. When you're ready, hit the Start-Stop button to commence bagel browning. The LCD will turn orange and your timer will automatically begin. You'll also love the magnetic auto rack eject feature that works with the bagel setting when the wire rack is inserted into rack position 3 or 4, so you can easily remove your bagels. Cool, huh? Be sure to open the door slowly when the wire rack is in this position to prevent the rack from ejecting too quickly. While we're waiting, you might be thinking, what's the difference between the toast and bagel function? It's a good question. The main difference is that when using the bagel function, the Element IQ system delivers more heat from the top of the oven to ensure that you achieve that classic golden glow. If you'd like your bagels to be a little more toasted, use the A Bit More button, which offers that little bit more time to suit your tastes. A homemade cream cheese and salmon bagel with pickled cucumbers and cress salad. What a way to start your day, right?